I'm not happy with this. I definitely want to go and absolutely cancel this format. I indeed want to cancel the format, okay? Because this generator certainly took 20 questions. Goodbye. And the last quiz, the one about infographics, goodbye as well. Because we want to analyze the number of questions. For example, upload a file. I can take a file a bit smaller than this, like 97. We could take something in programming, for instance, a programming guide in Visual Basic. Here I have the trainee guide, Put the trainee guide along with the activities, questions, and assignments. Okay, a general test. Where's the guide? Notebook? Yes, this is writing, for example, programming for non-programmers. Abdul Rahman, these are questions. From the trainer's guide, the training guide. Yes, all of these are questions. I want to get the content from the training guide. Yes, this is the book. He told me to take the PDF. You're trying the PDF, so this is a PDF book. I said, let's upload it, the programming training guide. I asked him how many. I want him to provide the images from the book. You want to select all the pages at the beginning, as this is the cover and the table of contents. I noticed the beginning differs, and this is the start. Thanks to Dr. Dasuki, my professor, this is the beginning on programming, and these are codes and flow cells. These are images and text. The file is small and nice. I asked him how many questions. I requested 30 questions in Arabic from this, and they should all be single and yes or no. Honestly, doctor, I don't want to rely solely on your questions. Here I'm generating this PDF, requesting 30 questions from it. I think that's manageable. These are images and text. You're looking at the file. The file is small. I requested 30 questions. I'm generating this PDF and requested 30 questions from it. I think 30 isn't a lot, especially since the number of files or pages is small. I hope he can read the image from the PDF as I'm converting it. I'm trying to get images, and he's reading them from the PDF. I'm making a PDF with 30 questions. It's image-based to prevent copying. The task is to read images and create 30 Arabic questions. This is harder than before. Prepare questions for discussion. The PDF's encryption is challenging but needed. I want to stick to 20. Although 30 isn't much, especially with only a few files or pages, I'm converting it to prevent copying. I hope he can read the image from the PDF since I'm converting it to prevent copying. He needs to generate 30 questions in Arabic. Working with PDFs is tough because they're encrypted. Or the PDF file itself. And it shows me 30 questions in Arabic, 30 questions. This is a higher level than the previous level. I wish that if anyone has a question, he would write it because during the break period. I asked you to prepare the questions in these parts. God willing, it is a habit. God willing, he will not tell me that he could not, but it is a PDF. And this is the most difficult thing because it is not a text that can be easily taken by a person. It is encrypted. Come on, let's see the solar test, man. Is this me? What am I? This is a test of information about solar energy. By God, it didn't happen. I've never made an elephant like this. Man, where do I get these questions from? He told me to make this file like this. By God, what is this? Solar energy. By God, I burn most of it. No, 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 no. This has passed, this is programming, and this is the trainer's guide, and this is the PDF that I used. If something happened, honestly, I didn't like it. Programming for non-trainers, honestly, there's nothing about solar energy, so he messed up in the PDF. That's good. He messed up in the PDF. I don't know. I told you I converted it to an image, so even the copy won't come out right for me. The copy is just a mess, you know? So, okay, let's check the PowerPoint because I made a PowerPoint. He is the baddie here who brought me solar energy, and it is obvious that he is not masturbating. He said, by God, I will not rest or give him a test. But of course, this test is because we tell him, no, thank you. And bye. And the solar energy test, the baddie did not bother me. As for the roses, they are like beans. The roses are like beans. Fine. And let's go down.
Yes.
This is one AI station focusing on presentations and documents. I made a PDF for training. The slides show the programming training path. It's general. This guide is for non-programmers. This PDF became a product for the Saudi Electronic University. I worked on this package for the university, and its Word document should read correctly. This is the Word document for the guide. I want the Word document matching the solar energy PDF. Okay, this is the training path, and this is the loop for repetition, and there's a pre-test, objects, and goals. Here, of course, it's something general. This programming guide for non-trainers is also for non-programmers. This PDF, after the development, was a product for the Saudi Electronic University. I was working on this package for the Saudi Electronic University, but if I take its Word document, it should read correctly, right? Let me open it up. This is the Word document for the programming guide for non-trainers. This is Word, but I also don't want this Word document. I want the Word document that corresponds to the PDF about solar energy, because it's a book. This is the Word document for the programming guide for non-trainers. This is Word, but I also don't want this Word document. I want the Word document that corresponds to the PDF about solar energy because it's a book. I keep working here and tell it to generate 30 questions, and I hope it doesn't mess up again because AI can sometimes act on its own mood. I mean, it can generate true-false questions and multiple choice questions where it selects one answer. I tell it to generate 30 questions from a Word file, which is the same size as the PDF file I used for solar energy. It generated the 30 questions. In the PDF, it didn't say much. So 25? Can you, Dr. Tagreed, do 20? So what's the solution we have here in the generator? Dr. Balkis had a question. We want large files. 25. Is it possible, Dr. Tagreed, 20? So what is the solution here at the generator? Dr. Balkis's question was, we need huge files. It is before huge files with a number of questions here also in the guide with a strange flash. I mean, what's up with this? 15 questions, will it work? Or is the nature of this file different from the other one? All right, I'm going to play a game now. I'll take the small sample file and see if it can handle even 15 questions. Come on, let's try. 5. So it seems like this document file is the one causing the problem because the other document worked fine. If it won't accept 5 here, then the issue is with the file. I need to go back and check the file. There's an error in the generator regarding the count in the file. So refresh. This file has an issue. The first file worked. So we can proceed. I want a PowerPoint for this course lab. A paid package could give more questions. Generate 20 single choice and true-false questions. If there's a PowerPoint problem, it shows up here. Doctors say it takes 1 hour. Wait 1 hour to regenerate. Don't do too many tests. In incognito, I want to trick it. I'll use Abdul Rahman Salim's account. And tell him open and tell him bring me 20 questions from the course lab. Of course, if there is a paid package, he can give me more, meaning questions. And tell him 20 questions, all single choice and true or false, meaning this in PowerPoint, this is PowerPoint. If there is a problem in PowerPoint, it will be clear. Here the doctors are telling me that it takes 1 hour. They say the good generator limit is to wait 1 hour to regenerate with this account. So it advises you not to keep doing too many tests like this. If I go into an incognito browser, I want to trick it, I'll do it with this other account, Abdul Rahman Salim's account. I go to the guide here and it says you can create more than one account. I'll take this PDF and see if I get the same message with this other account or not. This is just an explanation for the course lab, covering the standards for program production, the types of tools, and all the connections. Everything is there, but there are a lot of images. It's big. Hungarian 10, Arabic. I tell it to generate. Another account says quiz limit, wait 1 hour. There's a session problem. My dad asked, what is artificial intelligence? I can't read the file. Dr. Tagreed suggests maybe from the file. She uploaded a file and it created a different test. I did 2 tests correctly, infographic and another. Dr. Tagreed says there might be a problem. Wait 1 hour. There might be a system issue. Upload the lesson file. Choose question types. We made 20 and reviewed them. What is artificial intelligence? Can't read the file. Dr. Tagreed thinks it might be from the file. Uploaded a file, created a different test, did 2 tests correctly, infographic and another. Model is fine. Dr. Tagreed says there might be a problem. Wait an hour and try again. Possible system issue. Upload the lesson file. Choose question types. Suggest 10 questions. Made 20 and reviewed them. Quick process from upload to share, maybe a minute. Choose multiple question types. Accepts PDFs and PowerPoints. Generates questions. Tried it. Works perfect. In English, no mistakes. And in Arabic, worked well with 2 models. Upload the file. With the lesson or explanation, select the question type. We made 20 questions and reviewed them. The process is quick, taking about a minute. You can choose multiple question types. It supports PDFs and PowerPoint, generating questions. I've tested it, and it works well in English and Arabic with 2 models and small files. The process is quick. From upload to sharing, choose multiple question types. It accepts PDFs and PowerPoint, generating questions. It works perfectly in English and well in Arabic with 2 models. I'll restart with a small file. Let's upload the model again. It's in the tools. I don't remember if it has 10 Arabic questions. It's single choice, no true false. I tell it to generate and it says no. Try later due to a quiz limit. In small files I hit a limit. I'll restart, and if not accepted, it's probably locked my account. Upload model. Not sure if this model has 10 Arabic questions. I generate, it says no. Tried a lot. Unclear why Abdul Rahman Salam's account is restricted. AI for quizzes locked me out due to attempts. It has pricing options. This is still a single choice, but there are no true false options. I tell it to generate, and it says no. It told me that I can't work anymore because I've hit a limit on the quiz attempts, and I can try again in an hour. I've tried a lot, so what I don't understand is why it also locked Abdul Rahman Salam's account in the generation. Overall, it's an excellent application, of course, Dr. Tagreed. It saves time and effort. All right, so I have AI for quizzes, but it's locked me out because of the number of attempts. Since it's free, there's definitely a customized package you can buy that gives you more capabilities. I mean, they have pricing options. I'm currently using the free starter package, so keep in mind that everything has a limit. Here, right? Of course, aside from the customized package that includes the API and more features, which involves artificial intelligence and those things, I'm working in a package that's not mine, okay? Because here, you're saying you want to try everything, but of course we're testing in the free version. That's our goal, right? Here, okay, of course, aside from the customized package that includes the API and more features, which involves artificial intelligence and those things, I'm working in a package that's not mine, all right? Because here, you're saying you want to try everything, but of course we're testing in the free version. That's our goal, right?